Wagbe mo. Die. Wait, you can marry na. Ya wa you bodyguard you. Any of those no. Salo.
I want to smash it.
The fifty.
Anahi.
What bolo mai?
Osi. Anahi.
Don't know Austin.
Oh. Ona busy we busy. Nuna say o me. Osi. Anahi na tamade. Ah.
Na wo. Don't know talona yi.
Ah. Uwe.
Egbe na yan ke na.
Uwe.
Egbe ko ran we.
Yo be gunu ni.
Gunu na na kina yi.
One night.
Ima ge na. Gwa kere, ya give me idea.
Osi mame. Ebebu we. E girlfriend wo ma won e.
I don't know you.
Ije ni.
Oh, we be girlfriend me. Girlfriend of my kind me agbo na ogbo emujana.
Osi. Ije o iba.
La wo we ga go. Ga go. O ye ma we, dinu go buy. Na by force. Na by force.
Hey, is it?
My dear, guy.
Hey.
O wa show we gbe mara we. E we say ka hospital.
Yes now.
Guy, when you hear we. Uta ma we ugwale wina se mana. Iyoko wa ni gbohun ya go we ba.
Exactly.
Opolo wa ke pa.
Hey, is it the mega way? Osi. Other women.
Not different big you know.
The beg she's not your class. So we get
Osi.
She looked at her.
I tell you, who tell you my name? I tell you.
Gamba, we make a combination here.
See, I don't know you. I better look for another boyfriend. Don't believe your boyfriend. Don't cause my relationship for me.
Baby.
Baby.
Osi.